daily work that we do at the European Chamber of Commerce, and in particular in the Intellectual Property Rights Committee that we set up a few years back, the security of supply chain is an essential element and very important in today's world. Our members and our committee is particularly active in trying to tackle the issue of transshipment, in particular counterfeits and illicit goods that go through the various ports all over the world. We are focusing very much on Southeast Asia, and in particular we have good relationship with North Asia, China, Hong Kong, Korea, all the way down, of course, here in Singapore and Southeast Asia. And we feel that Interpol World and the Interpol activity and all the actions and the initiatives that they lead in tackling counterfeits and illicit goods are great activities, and we give our full support. So in view of Interpol World in 2015, the European Chamber of Commerce in Singapore gives definitely full support, and we look forward to the big event.